Hello guys, this is Ritesh. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to have an overview of Docker PS command. What is Docker PS? PS stands for the process status, which shows the status of all the running processes along with their IDs. As you can see, when I run Docker PS, it shows the container ID, image, command, when it is created, what is the status, if there is any port, and names. These are the options that goes with the Docker PS command. It's like -all, -a. You can use either of them. It will show all the containers, like the containers that are in running state as well as in the pause state or in the exited state. Hyphen filter, or you can use -f. It is used to filter. There are many options in filter also. We will see some of them. Hyphen format. It is used to format the output. Hyphen last, and followed by the number. It will give the list of the last created containers, and the states can be any. It can be pause, running, or exited. Next is hyphen latest. It will show the latest container. State here doesn't matter, it will show all the state. Next is hyphen no trunk. It will use to do not trunk the output. Next hyphen quit, or you can use -q. It will display just the numeric container IDs, nothing else. Next is hyphen size or -s. It will show the total size of the container. Let's go one by one. First, running process. This process is currently running. I want to see all. I will use -a option. As you can see now, there are these many containers and these are the IDs, container IDs. I will just minimize it. These are the container IDs, container name, image name, command, what are the commands, when were they created, what is the status, the ports that are used, and their names. Now say I want to view last 3 containers. I will use hyphen last and number, say 3. It will give me the last 3 containers details. These are the container ID, image, status, command, created, ports, and names. Say I want to see now the latest. I will type latest. As you can see, it showed me only the latest. Next, we will go to size. In size, what will it display? The size information shows the amount of data on disk that is used by writable layer of each container. And in virtual size, it will show the total amount of disk used for read-only images data that is used by the container and the writable. It will show both in virtual, but outside that virtual bracket it will just show the writable layer. Let's run this command. First I will clear, then type sudo docker ps -a -s. I will just zoom out so that it see the size, virtual size is 1.22 MB and writable is 0, currently writable layer 0. Let's move to the next command. Next are the filtering. As I said, there are different options in filtering, like you can filter by ID, you can filter it by name, label, exited, then status, ancestors, before or since, volume, network, publish, expose, health, isolation. Isolation is the option that is used only in Windows. If you are installed the Docker on Windows, then only you can use this isolation. You can have a look of Windows Docker installation that I have done. I will give the link in this video. You can go through that. Let's go one by one of ID. First is the ID. When you filter by ID, it will give you the container ID name. I will type docker ps -a, then -f you can use, or -- filter. Then type the name equal to, first we are using by ID, so type ID equal to, copy the ID, any ID, random ID you can take from here. Paste. As you can see, I have filtered it with ID. It has given me the container ID that I have entered, image name, command, created date, status, port and names. Now let's filter it with name. Command will be same, instead of ID it will change to name and say name I want sharp. Copy, paste. As you can see, it has given me the output. Name is sharp-cry. Next slide we will move the status. Status filters the matches containers by status, like say if its status is exited, status is pause or status is running, it will give us the output. First we will see for the running. First I will clear this. See, this is my running process. Now I want to see exited, only exited. Type just exited. As you can see, it has shown me the exited status. Next we will see the publish. Publish and expose filter shows only the containers that have been published or exposed to a specific port or port range or a protocol. By default protocol is TCP when you have not mentioned it. Okay. Let's run this. I have already published the . I will run it. Publish -80. As you can see, I have published this on port 80. It has shown me only the running process now, because I have not used -a. If I have used -a, it will show me both exited as well as running. Let's move to the next filter. Next is formatting. As you can see, formatting, it is used for formatting in tables like names, image, status. I just want only these three contents. It will show me like this. I copy the command. First I will clear things. Zoom it out. As you can see, I have just done the formatting of names, image and status. Other things I have filtered out. I don't want other things, I want only this. And this is just in table format. If you don't want in table format, you remove the table. Table means it will give the header, this images, name. If you don't type, it will just give you in this format output. If you use -a, in this type it will give you the output. It is used to shorten the table. That's it guys about the PS command. If you like this video, please hit a like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.